आमके अर्जंट एक हें आशिल्लें की तें आल्दोना पंचायतीक एक शेड बांदूं जाय and that is on government property. So I had to get that urgent because it is CM is holding PWD portfolio. So I had to come and get his clearance for it. Now I am get the Visarjana site, I am get shed ready Rashna. So I had to get his approval.
So yesterday there was an assault on the two police constables. What do you like to say about that?
You see, I want to talk about this. I will give you a separate bite if you don't mind on this. I will give you a separate bite on tourism, and I'm not very happy what things are going on. And even we had on Delhi Ashillo. Now listen to this very carefully. Last week Supreme Court and gello, Monday gello, Tuesday atalo. Muge ticket goying येवपाक 18,000 रुपये आशिल्ले. आनी मागीर हांव चॅक करपाक गेलो. It is a weekend कित्याक आमगे long weekend येताले. हांव आज राती पासून दिल्ली वयता सुप्रीम कोर्टान आनीक एक मॅटरा फाल्यां हांव थिंग वयता. मुगे वचपा येवपा 24,000 टिकेट. लोक कितें येतलो गोंयांत? हांव गोंयकार. हांव वयता मुगे कामा पासत. कोण फारीक कोतलो, that is not a problem. But if I have to pay from my own pocket, if I am coming for a holiday, why will I come here for 24,000? I can go to Dubai and come back even at lesser price. You think of this. So this type of tourists who are coming here, we have a less type of tourists. And then we have this type of tourists who I call the riff-raff tourists who are coming here. They don't care about law and order. They think they have some money, they can throw it here and there, and they think they are law unto themselves. And these are the tourists who must be put in place. Remember what I'm saying. That's why even when this rash and negligent driving takes place, I have said, drunk driving, what I mean. I have said that they should be booked for attempt to murder. Ek party, ek dog jana gaile, message will go to the rest of the country, don't come and misbehave in Goa. Our police also becoming lax in this. It's not only tourism which has to be blamed, including the police. And then finally the police get beaten up. This is what's happening. Why police? A person should fear a police, and especially a policeman in uniform. Do you think you can go to other states and play some tomfoolery with police? The moment they see a policeman in uniform, they run away. They think that power of money and some connection. Sometimes they have got some connection with some officer in the government. So they think ek phone malo, tek phone malo, te suttole monete zaiten koro jata. This is another part of it.
So people are taking law and order for granted. Don't you think so, like that?
It is a rot which is set inside the very government departments, which is allowing people to misbehave and to take law and order in their hands. Both are equally responsible, the tourists as well as the enforcement authorities.
So, police department ko administration lapses jata.
So administration does not come on the ground for the purpose of policing. The policing has to be done by the police itself. So when it is deficient on the ground, that is why it starts getting all this kind of a bad situation. Let me tell you, there are some very good police officers. There are very honest police officers who do their duty very well. I एक काढलं त्यांना एक पीसीचो कितले पयशे केले आनी कोटेचे बांगले केले तो म्हाका एक PI मेसेज केल्या सर हांव 16 वर्सां PI आहा मुगे आजून नोळ्याचे गोर आसा. सो आतां तूं समजो येता कितें म्हणटात ते.
Thank you. CM failed the Home Minister.